Welcome back to yet another episode of Fever Soundbox. मैं हूँ सुप्रिया with you and extremely excited today. ये बहुत ही special episode है मेरे लिए. एक कहानी जुड़ी है इससे which I'd also like to share. But सबसे पहले let me share with you. इस एपिसोड में आज हमारे साथ है the artist of the month, none other than Gajendra Verma in the house with us. Welcome
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
to Fever Soundbox. कैसी चल रही है जिंदगी?
जिंदगी मजे
हाँ
म्यूजिक चल रहा है,
या
गाने बना रहे हैं, लोग सुन रहे हैं।
हमेशा एसोसिएट किया गया है कि जिनके दिल टूटे हैं उनके लिए आप you're like a savior. You've been like that over the years, right? What do you feel about that positioning? मतलब जो एक आपकी इमेज बन गई है. मतलब मैंने एक्चुअली देखा है लोगों को कहते हुए कि हम ना ब्रेकअप से उभर नहीं पाते अगर आपके गाने नहीं सुने होते. How do you feel about that? About that?
I'll say that was not what I was aiming for, but at the same time, I think I feel good that कुछ काम आ रहा हूँ लोगों के, and especially at a crucial moment in their life, and I've been like we've all been there, and it
we have.
and it's nice that you are like when I hear people talk about it, or when I read the comments when they say that you've been your songs have been support to me, and so it's kind of a good feeling, like it's not that I was aiming for that.
I remember asking this to Ayushmann Khurrana one day in one of the interviews. I'll ask the same thing to you. एक फिल्म थी रॉकस्टार जिसमें एक लाइन था बहुत ही पॉपुलर डायलॉग है वो कि टूटे दिल से संगीत निकलता है. एज एन आर्टिस्ट डू यू अग्री विद दैट?
Absolutely, yeah. I think it's not about toota dil, especially like not only about in a relationship. जब आपका दिल टूटता है ना, that's the time when you are the most attentive in life. You are actually so aware of your own being. Like I will say, it's the most of it is because you're emotional, of course. And if you have an art form which can support that, it will be great. But वो जो state of mind है when your heart is broken, वो state of mind is something people should really grasp and take it in and stay like that even if your heart is not broken. With yourself, alone, don't need anyone because you don't have someone. Because but yeah,
सच तो वही
in a
है.
way, if you count, like if you want to see it as a blessing, I think that is it's a form of blessing.
आपको सच में लगता है कि यू आर मोस्ट सेल्फ अवेयर जब आपका दिल टूटा हुआ होता है?
I wouldn't say most, but I think it puts you in a state where you are aware.
Did you ever feel this when you were creating music? Did you ever go through something like this when you were creating music?
Absolutely, like I've been through breakups, so I feel that it kinds of because you're asking so many questions to yourself all the time, so you're being aware, right? At the same time you're like, oh मेरे दिमाग में ये आ रहा है, और मेरे को याद आ गई किसी की. Normally you wouldn't do that, like in a day-to-day life. You wouldn't be aware of what's happening in your mind. और याद आई किसी की या ये ख्याल आया. But at that time, when it's a low, you're more aware. So I think it's a learning at that stage. You should count it as a.
तो मतलब your heartbreak did help your music or did add something to your music which was needed?
Absolutely. My heartbreaks, my relationships, my everything has helped.
So no regrets.
Absolutely, no.
सब कुछ ना कुछ ऐड करके गए हैं.
Absolutely. जो ऐड जिसको ऐड करना था वो ऐड करके गए हैं, जिसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करके गए. हाँ, मतलब और दोनों में पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव नहीं है. It's nice. It's good.
Do you have some sense of spirituality with the kind of like how important it is to be spiritual when you create?
I think most of it is spiritual, and when you add a soul to it, you don't actually add a soul to it. It just happens. When you let go of the inhibition that you are adding something to it, you have to let go of that. That's when actually something really relatable to the people gets created. You don't need to then in your mind think about कि ये formula है, ये structure होना चाहिए गाने का, ये line डालनी चाहिए हमें, ऐसा करना चाहिए, वो फिर जरूरत नहीं पड़ती उस चीज़ की, because you are adding a soul to it. You're not adding a soul to it. You are just letting go of the inhibition that you are adding something to it.
That's actually interesting, and I felt like asking because like there is, what you said, when you lose control, when you do not want to have control,
Yeah.
you let something else just not even take control. That's too strong a word to say. और वो flow में जो निकलता है is what clicks with most of them around you.
Like
right?
just being aware that my want of making it a hit song is coming in between my flow.
True.
That's like I'll have a want as a musician, as my career, I would want to be successful.
Yeah.
So that want comes in the process of creating a song.
Yeah.
So if I'm aware that it's coming in the process, I can separate it and let it flow better.
Makes sense. Tell me something. अगर आप किसी से पहली बार मिले, आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन उन्हें दे रहे हैं, है ना? और आप उन्हें बताते हैं कि you're a singer. पहला गाना कौन सा होगा आपका which you will make them hear?
Interesting है, क्योंकि I would judge the person and give him the right song for him. I shouldn't do that, but I would do that.
That's a performer
Yeah,
talking.
exactly,
That's
exactly,
a performer. You
exactly.
judge your audience. कि इस
Exactly.
audience को
I'm
ये
like,
पसंद
I'm
आएगा.
like, this is the person,
Yeah.
and he'll like that song, so I'll just play him that song. But when you asked me this, that I realized
Like
that.
imagine someone saying, "Sing me one of your songs,"
Yeah.
and now it's on you. Which song do you?
Yeah.
And you've just met this person.
Yeah, I'm actually thinking of what
you
song
song?
I would say. I think I would send them Phir Suna. There's a song called Phir Suna, yeah.
I'm going to request you to sing this song in a bit, for sure. Tell me something. We're talking about independent artists on Soundbox. We've had so many of them, budding, established. यहाँ पर आए हैं, उन्होंने अपनी journeys बताई है. लेकिन आज के टाइम पे एक independent artist होना कितना challenging है according to you?
I think, yeah, it's very challenging, but पहले से better हो गया. People are exploring more things. We have a wide range of audience.
Yeah.
Age wise and regional wise. So if you have a certain kind of like you think that your music is different and maybe people won't like it, that's not the case now. You will always gain your audience. You just have to, with time you'll reach them. You just have to be patient about that. But you will gain a certain audience, and so I think it's a better time to be in as an independent artist, because you're making money also for your future business, and you have to make a video.
Correct.
I remember making videos when there was no royalty money or streaming money. Yeah, so we used to wait for for a show to happen, like 2-3 shows, then I would accumulate that money and put it in a video. That used to be the case. But now if your song is doing well, you get royalties.
Interesting. Tell me something. It's been years of singing some very beautiful, very soulful songs. इतने fans से आप मिल चुके हैं, इतने shows आप कर चुके हैं. There's one happening in Gurgaon very soon, which I'm sure everyone's very excited about. कोई एक ऐसा बहुत ही दिलचस्प fan experience जो आपके साथ हुआ है, which stayed with you, कि ये याद रहेगा मुझे.
Recently, I've been to Patna Women's College. It was such an amazing concert. Made some good friends there, and there's a fan of mine. He's now a friend, literally, because I know him from almost a decade now, and his name is Anmol. And there's another one called Tejraj, I think.
Oh, you
Tejraj
remember
Singh.
names of
Yeah,
your
yeah,
fans.
of course,
That's amazing.
because they've been messaging me since day one.
Wow.
Tej Raj, Anmol. Then there is one called GS Mehra. You know, they've been such a support to me, such a lovely people. You know,
Yeah.
uh, I remember they'll uh, kind of, what do you say, they will like reply to a comment if it's a negative comment on my
अच्छा मतलब
feed.
वो ट्रोल्स के
They'll
पीछे भी
defend
पड़ जाएंगे आपके
they'll
लिए.
defend me, you
Wow,
know.
that's
Yeah,
very
and
sweet.
they'll be like, so recently I've been like few of my messages are like कि आप बाल छोटे करवा लीजिए. So he'll message me that, oh आप बाल मत छोटे करवाइए, आप अच्छे लग रहे हो. So there'll be messages like
They'll
that.
probably reply
It'll be
like
so,
तू क्यों बोल रहा है यार, तू
हाँ
कौन है?
हाँ, and नहीं, they'll message me also कि आप मत सुनो,
ये समझ सुनो.
हाँ आप बढ़िया, आप अच्छे लग रहे हो. And they'll message me like that. So
सही
it's
है.
so nice, it's such a great so you know, listening to all this and experiencing all this, you feel that, you know, कितने अच्छे अच्छे लोग हैं दुनिया में, उनके लिए गाना बनाना चाहिए हमें. So
How sweet, yeah, how nice. Making songs that have helped people through heartbreaks, है ना? आपकी म्यूजिकल जर्नी में who has been an inspiration or what has been an inspiration for you?
you know, I've always been a person who like to know the other perspective. Like I it's a part of my nature. Like I genuinely well, it's a curiosity. Like I would love to know about the other person,
Okay.
you know. So that makes me wonder sometimes, you know, that wow, so many emotions which I thought uh like I always think that I try to live as full as possible, you know. And still when I get someone else's perspective and I think, wow, this is another Hana, and another emotion someone else is going through, and I wouldn't even realize this. जब ये सब सुनने को मिलता है ना, तो मुझे वो इंस्पिरेशन इतनी मिलती है कि you know, so those feelings and those emotions behind people doing things uh, without, you know, without a want of getting something out of it. That's what inspires me, that those emotions.
ऐसे मैंने कई बार देखा है, बहुत क्रिएटिव लोग होते हैं ना, दे एंजॉय व्हाट दे डू. द मोमेंट दे सी उसमें कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट आ रहा है ना, सडनली द जॉय गोज आउट ऑफ इट. ऐसे मैंने देखा है बहुत ही. डू यू आल्सो फील दैट? वो फील होता है कभी कभी?
होता है, but I think at the same time it's your work, you know. You have a team doing it for you. You have at least 20 people who are counting on you, so you need to have a balance, you know, of and you need to learn as an artist, as a professional artist. You know, you can do it at your home, whatever you want to do, but when there's a team, there's
a sense of responsibility, na, then.
so they are working, you know, every day with this music. So you need to have like a balance of both.
Correct.
You need to make them understand why I made this song, and you need to make yourself understand why I need to do this song.
That's interesting, because that's what makes you a team, na, with them.
Yes.
Correct.
So it's not just about me, it's about all the people with me as well.
Which has been your favorite city to perform at so far?
Pune has always been so nice to me. Delhi has always been great. All the time. I recently performed in Grub Fest in Delhi. It was so amazing.
ऐसे your list had Pune on number 1.
Yeah.
There is something about Pune, and I want to say this because हम अमित त्रिवेदी को interview कर रहे थे. उन्होंने भी पुणे कहा.
Yeah, I think Pune
There's some vibe there.
Yeah, there is a
Something's
vibe.
going on. What are you doing, Pune?
Absolutely, there is something going on.
We need
I
to
think
know.
they're very chill.
Yeah, I feel so too.
Pune is chill.
What is your opinion on collaborations? Do you look forward to collaborating with a particular artist जो अब तक हुआ नहीं है? You really hope that happens. Who would that be?
So many. I've been so many actually. I love to. At heart I'm a composer, you know, and I love making songs. So as many different songs I can make, I'll be more happy, you know, and different kinds. So like I have a few rapper friends of mine. I would
Mhm.
love to make songs with them, you know, because it'll maybe get something out of me which
Yeah.
normally I will not
Give
do in
us
a
some
song.
names now.
I so I've been friends with Emiway
Hmm.
since a long time,
Mhm.
and we were doing something in between. I think we'll do something again. I
Nice.
think I'm planning an album which will have a lot of collabs in future.
Mhm.
Uh, we are actually talking. Like we made a song. Like I made a song for Shirley,
Mhm.
and I think her personality is
Yeah.
such like such a good personality to have in a song,
Yeah.
especially like a love song, you
Correct.
know. And we are actually planning a song which is like a retro disco love song, you know.
Mm.
So that'll be I'm
That's
looking
very
forward to that.
interesting.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And what else? Who else I'm talking to? We are talk. I told my team to get in touch with there is this Pakistani rapper called Farish Shafi.
Mhm.
He's
Mhm.
so amazing, man. I've been
Okay.
listening to him since so long.
Mhm.
I think there is a song I have which I would love to play to him,
Oh, okay.
and if he can write a verse, it will be so amazing as well.
Well, you heard it first on Fever Soundbox.
Yeah,
We also hope this happens. We'd love to listen to
it'll be
it.
so nice.
Let's jump to your album that is Good Vibes Only.
Yep.
इसके बारे में कुछ बताएं. What has been the vision behind it? How are you feeling about the songs in it?
So the name Good Vibes Only and the whole theme of the album was basically that no matter what mood you are in life, in your day-to-day routine, music is always a part of it, you know. And if even if you're sad, even if you are lost, feeling blues, or you should just keep good vibes, you know.
Yeah.
And if music can make you, and music's
Feel
job, I think, in my life, especially when I'm
Mm.
listening to songs, is that like I just, even if I'm feeling low or something, play a music and good vibes will be there. So that's the theme behind the album. And there are 8 songs in the album, and different kinds. I tried to uh, incorporate a lot of my singing styles,
Okay.
which I love personally, in the album. So you'll have a lot of, there's a blues song, there is a uh, synthwave song, there is a Punjabi ret, like Punjabi funk song.
Wow.
Yeah, and there's a proper funk song also. It's called Udan Tashtari.
Odan Tashtari is actually my favorite from the
Ah,
album.
thank you.
Absolutely love it, by
Thank
the
you,
way.
thank
And I
you.
love the name you've given it. Fab, fab. I think like when I was scrolling through the album, it caught my attention सबसे पहले. It's like ये एक तो you take a minute to pronounce it right, and then you're like, oh, there you go. बहुत बहुत प्यारा गाना है. There is so much love and energy, I think, in each song. People who are watching right now, go check out the album. That is Good Vibes Only. बिल्कुल living up to the name जो album में दिया हुआ है. I'm now gonna go back to
फिर सुना, yes.
फिर सुना. Could you sing a few lines of फिर सुना for us?
फिर सुना मीठी मीठी सी वो दास्तां, जिसको सुन के मेरी जिंदगी में होती है नई सुबह. पास आके मुझसे फिर ना दूर जा, प्यारी प्यारी इस रात की गहराइयों में डूब जा. हो 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 कर सारे गम भुला दे, देखे जब तू हंस कर आ बाहों में, भर लूं तुझको कस कर सारे गम भुला दे, देखे जब तू हंस कर ये रात ढल ना जाए, समेट लूं मैं हर पल, आ मिल के सजाए जो आने वाला है कल। पास आके मुझसे फिर ना दूर जा, प्यारी प्यारी इस रात की गहराइयों में डूब जा।
Beautiful. That was amazing. लड़के behind the camera काफी emotional हो गए. But this is beautiful, and while we absolutely love that ये first choice होगी आपकी to actually you
I
know
think, yeah,
किसी को सुनाने की
हाँ.
who hears about you, meets you for the first time.
yeah.
Now let's come to your album, which is Good Vibes Only. Can you sing a song from the album?
I think
Which one would you pick?
another one, if I would sing for someone,
Yeah.
would be from this album.
Uh-huh.
It'll be Jhoom. There is a song called Jhoom in it, and I think it kinds of give a lot of about my personality
Yeah.
as a person.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go.
तुझसे भरता नहीं, जितना भी चाहे उतना ही मांगे ये दिल, हाँ भी तो करता नहीं, शर्मो हया की हदें सारी लांगे ये, दिल की बातें हैं आनी जानी, सब भुला के तू मेरी कहानी में झूम, झूम झूम झूम, बाहों में झूम, ओ अब खाली मैं बैठा रहूं, आंखें बिछाए तू आएगी मिलने को कब, ओ कब कब मैं तुझसे कहूं, हर पल हर दिन जिद की है दिल ने तो, दिल की बातें हैं आनी जानी, सब भुला के तू मेरी कहानी में झूम, yeah, झूम झूम झूम, बाहों में झूम, ओ बाहों में झूम।
Amazing.
Thank you, thank you.
Love it, love it. I think now this is my second most favorite Ghana from Good Vibes Only. This is amazing. I'm gonna request for one more song, but not now. Before I do that, you know, recently हम ये discuss कर रहे थे कुछ composers से that क्या ये मानना ज़रूरी है that when a song becomes a movie song, तभी उसे importance मिलती है, ये जो पूरा एक concept है, and especially in today's day and age where independent artists are actually as popular equally, उनके म्यूजिक को, उनके क्राफ्ट को उतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंस दी जा रही है, बट ये जो एक माइंडसेट होता है ना, अरे ये गाना फिल्म में आ गया, इसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
आई थिंक सबकी अपनी अपनी सोच है यार, एंड मुझे पसंद आता है जब कोई ऐसा बोलता है कि यार ये आपका गाना मेरी प्लेलिस्ट में है, आई एम हैप्पी विद दैट. I don't think I've made it. Like that's when I think I've made it. Hana, and my song has done its purpose.
Yeah.
So मुझे नहीं लगता है कि I'm agreeing to your point that it's a like a common notion that once it's in the movie then it's big. But big doesn't really need.
Big is very subjective now in
And big
2024.
is not really what everyone wants. I don't want it. Like I don't crave it.
Okay.
Big is like I think if someone is saying that your song has been a part of my playlist since 10 years, that's big for me. Yeah. Like even if it's not like on numbers, it's that song is not big. I don't mind it, but it's there in someone's playlist. Yeah. Because when I listen to music, I consider songs big, which are in my playlist.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
Yeah.
I feel like it's like when you hit follow to an artist, or when you add them to your playlist on Spotify, or when you like their song. मुझे लगता है that as a listener, as a music lover, that's a very big thing that you're doing. Like otherwise, half the time with the kind of odd like retention you have these days, आप scroll कर रहे हो, हाँ पसंद आ गया, एक को भेज दिया, you're still scrolling. But when you're communicating with a song that way, right?
It's gonna remain for a much longer time.
बिल्कुल.
You know.
It's
I-
not a
I'll-
touch and go.
I like this. There's this new thing on Instagram, where people are there's like people comment like I think सबने देखा होगा, काफी गानों पे करते हैं कि गाना इतना underrated बनाओ कि सिर्फ 4 लोग ही सुने. I like that because then you get messages like, यार इस गाने को ना ज्यादा पॉपुलर मत करो क्योंकि ये मेरा पर्सनल गाना है.
हाँ, लोग गेट कीप करते ना फिर उस गाने को. Correct.
If my song is there, no, if my 2-3 songs
तो
are
लगता
there,
है,
I'm like ये लंबा चलेंगे, मुझे दिक्कत नहीं है, मैं कमाऊंगा लंबा.
So anyone who's actually very new to this phase of creating
I
music,
think
उनको advice क्या देंगे आप?
Yeah, I think if you're doing it for music, feed your music more than you're feeding your bank balance. And what feeds your music, like what comes from inside is the life you're living. That's your music. So feed it. The better you feed your life, the better music you can make. So.
Now that's something to remember. So we had a few requests come in. जैसे ही हमारे listeners and viewers को पता चला, it's going to be Gajendra Verma, Artist of the Month on Fever Soundbox. A song which is Man Mera has been a favorite of all over the years. Would you like to sing that for us?
सारी रात आहें भरता, पल पल यादों में मरता, माने ना मेरी मन मेरा, थोड़े थोड़े होश मदहोशी सी है, नीम बेहोशी सी है, जाने कुछ भी ना मन मेरा, कभी मेरा था पर अब बेगाना है ये, दीवाना दीवाना समझे ना, हो कभी चुप चुप रहे, कभी गाया ये करे, बिन पूछे तेरी तारीफें सुनाया ये करे, है कोई हकीकत तू या कोई फसाना है, कुछ जाने अगर तो इतना के ये तेरा दीवाना है रे मन मेरा, माने ना मन मेरा, रग रग वो समाया मेरे, मुझ पर वो छाया मेरे, दिल पर वो ऐसे जैसे जाम, गिरे बरसात में पानी जैसे, कोई कहानी जैसे दिल से हो दिल तक जो बयां, आशिक दिल तेरा पुराना है ये, दीवाना दीवाना समझे ना। हो कभी चुप चुप रहे, कभी गाया ये करे, बिन पूछे तेरी तारीफें सुनाया ये करे। है कोई हकीकत तू या कोई फसाना है, कुछ जाने अगर तो इतना कि ये तेरा दीवाना है रे मन मेरा, माने ना मन मेरा।
Amazing. That was brilliant. I think a bunch of us here, including me and including everybody jo behind the camera, we're very lucky to experience this firsthand. And
I'm lucky to be here. Yeah.
no, it's a complete pleasure knowing a human like
Singing.
you.
No, singing and doing my job at the same time.
Yeah.
What else do you want?
This has been so brilliant, and I take so much joy and pride in saying that you are the artist of the month on Fever Soundbox. It's been a pleasure for us hosting you. Thank you so much, Gajendra. All the love and light to you, and इसी तरह से keep creating. We will always keep an eye out for your work, and we will keep supporting you. Thank you for being on Fever Soundbox.